Lucky you, another baking video for Christmas. Today I'll be making Nantucket Christmas Cranberry Pie. What all goes into the Nantucket Christmas Cranberry Pie? 2 cups fresh or frozen cranberries. You want to wash and rinse them. 2/3 cup sugar. 1/2 cup chopped pecans. And for the topping, 1 stick butter softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 1 cup flour, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 9-inch pie plate and either grease it with nonstick cooking spray or grease it with butter. I'm going to be using butter. This pie plate I'm calling Buddy Wishes He Had Some. So take your cranberries, which is 2 cups, and pour them in the bottom of the pie plate. Then put your 2/3 cup sugar on top of that. And I should have chopped these a little bit finer, but I just got the bag that says chopped and I'm going to be using that. 1/2 cup of the chopped pecans. And stir that to combine. This is a strange pie because this is on the bottom and you don't invert it, so I don't understand how this is going to work. I've never made this before. Have any of you tried a Nantucket Christmas pie? I think it's going to taste good. I'm assuming the sugar is going to melt and make kind of like a cranberry syrup to make a sticky bottom. Make sure the cranberries are pretty much flat and not doubling on top of each other. And let's set that aside. So I forgot to turn on my camera, so I have a medium bowl here. We're going to add our softened butter, then add your 1 cup granulated sugar, and mix that until smooth. Take your eggs, add that to your bowl, and your 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and I just love how it smells. It smells like maraschino cherries. And add your 1 teaspoon to the mix to that too. Then beat that until nice and fluffy. All right, nice and fluffy. Add your 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add 1 cup flour gradually. Now I'm going to take my wooden spoon. It's all mixed. So take your cranberry pie, take your dough, take a cookie scoop, and just dollop it all over the pie. It's kind of sticky. It's sticking to the cranberries. The batter smells like cherries. So take your spatula and just smear this all the way around. And try to keep the cranberries on the bottom and the batter on the top. All right, so I got it spread out. There are a few little cranberries poking through. I'm sure that will be fine. We'll put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for around 40 to 50 minutes until a toothpick in the topping comes out clean. So I took it out of the oven after 50 minutes. It's nice and brown. It's got the little bumps from the cranberries that rose up. Take a toothpick in the center of it. Went right through to the cranberries, so it is not raw, it is done. I'll let this cool for just a few minutes and then we will cut into it and Dave will do a taste test. So here is the Nantucket Christmas Cranberry Pie. Beans, as it didn't have a bottom crust, it did kind of had a hard time coming out of the pan, but not too bad. And you can put some ice cream or whipped cream on top if you would like. So here is the Nantucket Christmas Cranberry Pie, served with vanilla ice cream on the top. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Oh, that's good.
That is Nantucket Christmas Cranberry Pie, and if you notice, there is no bottom crust.
I had not noticed. This has pecans in it, though.
It does have pecans in
It's
it.
very good. Very, very good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.